Hello guys, today I will show you how to use CapCut for free. So, add any pro thing that you want to use. Now, you can see you can't export this, but wait. Select all, right click, click this, go to video, scroll down, enable motion blur, go to 0%, wait. Now, when it's finished, right click on Windows icon, type this, click OK, go to App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Cache, find Motion Blur Cache. Now you can see you have your video here. Go to Media, add this. Now add this here, delete, and now you can export this for free. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.